Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.
Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid. Hello, hello. Hello, friends, my sweet friends. Oh boy. I hope everyone is doing well today. Welcome, welcome, friends. Oh, do you guys like my new do? I want to give a big shout out to Swim and Trim. Hey, thank you so much, Dee Dee. I think you did a wonderful job. I just wanted something new. You know what I mean? I think it's nice to switch it up every now and then. I mean, I've seen a lot of you humans really do different things with your hair. And I'm like, it's time for me to, start living like the humans. Okay, guys. So I want to be the bigger person regarding an incident that took place yesterday. If you saw the video, then you saw the video, And I just want to do a public apology that I wrote up to my sister-in-law, Coral. Hey, will you post it up for me so it's not blocking my face? Thank you. In life, sometimes it's best to be the bigger person. You know what I mean? Let me tell you guys something, Everyone's not going to say things that you like, or everyone's not going to have your beliefs or your values or your ethics. So you've just got to sometimes bite your tongue, I heard the fishermen talking one day, and they were saying how life and death lies in your tongue. So you've got to be careful what you say to others. It can really hurt them. So anywho, I'm going to be the bigger person this time. Oh. So let me grab my phone. Excuse me. Can you pass me that phone off the charger? Thank you. And I'm going to call Miss Coral. Oh, she really grinds my gears. Once again, this is a public apology to Coral and her school of kids, her 12 angelfish, excuse me. Hello? Hello? Hey, Coral. Hey, Coral. This is Mukbang Mermaid. How are you? Yeah, Coral, I just wanted to, tell you that, I apologize for last night. I know it got a little rough, with us, so, Coral, I know. It was a full moon, and I think the pull of the tides was really affecting my my mood. Yeah. Okay. Cora, I can't take you down, okay? Because those little angels, they were playing baby shark so much last night that it froze the little box thing. I can't even. Hold on, Cora. Hold on, I gotta beep. Sorry about that. Hold on. Merle, what is it? I'm on the phone with Coral, girl. Yeah, Yeah, honey, they came over here last night and her school just was all over the place. They broke my game, Merle. They broke my game. They dug up Tups. And they did something really weird with the bear. Go look at the video I posted yesterday, Merle. I'm sick of hearing about the clownfish. He's a clown. Leave him alone, Merle. Yes, leave him alone. Yeah. Get with you with one of those barracudas, the big bucks barracudas. Oh, Merle, I forgot I've got Coral on the other line. I'll call you later, girl. All right, bye. Coral, are you still there? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Anywho, so I just wanted to tell you that, I apologize for last night, and I also apologize for saying that your little angels act like they've been smoking seaweed, and your daughter's dating Stanley the seahorse, who gets around so much he's pregnant. Again, I'm very sorry, Coral. Okay. Oh, really? No, he didn't tell me that at all. You stopped by earlier? When I was at swimming trip? Ooh, you brought me some goodies? Cora, you know I love to eat, and I'm hungry now. Okay. All right, Cora, well, you and the kids have a good day, okay? All right, bye-bye. How do you turn this? Okay. Let me put that back on the charger. Okay, everyone, so again, I want to thank you guys very much. I'm having vision problems, so I think the sun's really been affecting my eyes, so I'm just going to put my glasses on because I can't really see too good. Hey! Pufferfish face! Coral said you had something for me to eat! Can you bring it over, please? Oh, I just love what they've done. I'm going to go back and get something new in a few days. I need a little more volume. Do you guys like it? Oh, that is so sweet of her. I've got to call her and tell her. She needs to watch this. She needs to watch this. I gotta tell her. Oh my! Okay. Hello? Hey, Coral, it's me again. Coral, I just want to tell you thank you. You did not have to do this. This is beautiful. And I love how you wrapped it with the bow, Coral. All right. Thanks, Coral. Bye. She is so sweet. So let's eat. Let us say our prayer because I'm ready to eat. I hope it's something sweet because I got a sweet deal. All right. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for this food and this treat that I'm about to eat. I love to eat. I hope it's something sweet or some meat. I'm so happy. That was so sweet of Cora. Oh! What the heck is this? This is why I cannot stand Coral. You've got to be kidding me. This is a joke. Look at this. Oh, my. Oh, my. She gave me 2 pans of snails. Wow. Okay. Coral, if you're watching this, I I want to thank you. I need some tools. Because I don't know. I need some tools. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Where the heck have you been lately? What kind of tools are these? Oh. Oh. Oh, my. Can you guys see this stuff? Okay. Alrighty then. Yeah, I need something. Cause this ain't gonna go well. I need something. Give me that red stuff again. Thank you. What's this stuff called again? What's it called? I said, what? Ketchup. I need that other stuff that we recently started putting on everything other than my mermaid sauce. It's really good. The white creamy stuff that you guys put on your salad. Yeah, that stuff. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I don't have much more to say on this one, but we're gonna give this a go, okay? We're gonna give this a go. Okay, thank you, Betty. Last night was really something, you know. Everyone, has anyone ever had snails? Well, I've got my tools, so we're gonna try and do this. I guess at this moment I'm gonna start an SMRA. And then, how do the humans say it? How do they say it? I'm gonna do ASMR. Shh, listen. Today's mukbang is snails. I got it. It's coming out. It's coming out. Oh, junk. And Coral did not even clean these. They've still got algae on them. That's why she's just so dirty. And those kids are just so, they're just so irresponsible. I don't know how she's going to put up with Stanley Seahorse. And he's pregnant. All he does is swim all around town. He stays in those caves down below. I'm telling you guys, life over here is like a soap opera. So this kind of looks like one of those things that you guys eat that grows out of the ground. And some people, mushrooms. Okay. All right. Ooh, that's an acquired taste. Ooh. Oh, dear God. Oh, dear Jeep and jellyfish. Oh, I've only got about 23 more to go, guys. Coral, if you're watching this, honey, I got something for you next week. Oh. Mm. Count them with me, everyone. 1 down. Oh boy. This is going to be an interesting mukbang. I hate to bother you. an octopus sucker. Do you think you can come in? Oh, I got it. I've got to do something with these, everyone, so just bear with me. Because, this ain't cutting it. How was your day today, everyone? I hope everyone had a wonderful day. Oh! She really should have cleaned them, though. Oh, God. Okay, I'm going to stop complaining because I'm going to be thankful. I'm going to be thankful. There are many starving animals out there who can't find good plankton. Here's another one, guys. Oh, that's a big boy. Oh, what am I doing? That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Oh, that's a big boy. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? That's a big boy. Oh, that makes a world of difference. Whatever the humans call this stuff, no, seriously, that makes a world of difference. You know, that reminds me of a joke that Jokester the jellyfish told me a few years ago. What? Okay, so there was a snail. There was a snail in a hurry on the road, and he got behind a car with a big S on the door at a red light. So when the light turned green, guess what the snail said to the car? S car, go! Okay, guys, we got some more here. 2. Did I eat this one? 3. Have some. Ooh, something popped on that one. Something popped. I really got to start doing challenge videos because I feel like that's what I've been doing. Whoa. Was it? I'll be right back, everyone. I just gotta... Okay, I can do this. I can't do this. What do you guys tell yourself when you feel like you can't do something, but you need to do it because you have people depending on you? What do you tell yourself? Like, how do you pump yourself up? What do you do? I think I'm going to say a prayer. Dear God, if you're listening, I know you are. Give me strength to eat this snail. Oh my. I love you. Okay, let's try this again. Hey, do you enjoy fried chicken or crab legs with butter and boiled eggs, oodles of noodles with mom snickerdoodles. Alright, how many have we eaten so far, guys? 1, 2, 3. Let's just do this. What is that? Is that keep popping? Come on. Golly, come on. Okay, I'm just gonna chew on it like a piece of bubble gum. Thank you. Hey guys, I want to thank you all for joining me for today's treat and my public apology to Coral. May you all have an enjoyable evening, and you know the name, you know the place. I love you all so much. Share, subscribe, like, and comment below. What am I doing? What am I doing? Bye-bye, friends. Hey! Bubble tip enema face! I need to have a word with you about your sister.